Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental ailments, physical illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is serenity, peace. A lot of things happen, breakthroughs happen when everything gets silent. We maybe get worried and saying, what's happening? What's coming up next? A new season, a new you, new opportunities, a new hobby, new job, new foundations. Whatever and everything that you've been working for is coming your way. So just go with the flow, just like a calm wind, not like a tornado that can tear up the whole entire world by its roots. But be a calm wind and go with the flow, because everything is happening for you, not against you. You're in the right place, right time, with the right energies for a right breakthrough. Through love, release, and inner work, I know peace. I have a gentle view of life, and I welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear, because fear fears you. Look it in the eye, guarantee it shall run away. And I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work. What they're saying is, you've done everything as a co-creator. Now, sit back, relax, and let the creator do its part. You've done yours. Now relax and ride it out. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.